Hey there! So you're ready to get paid with NuMetric? Awesome. It all starts with one super important step, adding your customer. Let's walk through how to do it right so you can send those invoices out without a hitch. All right, you've made a sale. That's fantastic news. But hang on. Before you can actually send that invoice and see the money roll in, there's one little thing you got to do inside NuMetric. It's the key to everything. So, what is it? Let's dive in. So, what exactly do we mean by a customer in NuMetric? Well, think of it like creating a contact in your phone. It's the official profile for anyone you do business with. Without this profile, you can't create an invoice for them. Simple as that. It's the starting block for every single transaction. Okay, let's jump right into the how-to. We'll start with the basics, just getting to the right place. Okay, first things first. You're going to head over to the Sales menu. From there, click on Customers, and then you'll see the Add a Customer button. Easy, right? The very first thing it'll ask for is the customer name. Now, a little pro tip here. Use their official name, the one that goes on the invoice. Whether it's a company's full legal name or an individual, get it right from the start. All right, you've got the name down. Next up, their contact information. So, you'll pop in the first and last name of the person you'll be dealing with, then their mobile number. Make sure to pick the right country code. But listen up, the email address, that's the big one. That's where your invoices are going to land, so definitely double check it for typos. And the landline? You can see it's optional, so unless you really need it, just skip right over it. Okay, we're almost there. The last big piece of the puzzle is the address. First, punch in the billing address. Now, here's a feature I absolutely love, a real-time saver. For the shipping address, if it's the exact same, you don't have to type it all out again. Just check that little box that says same as billing and boom, NuMetric fills it in for you. How cool is that? Once you've done that, just hit create and you're good to go. Okay, hold on. For everyone invoicing in Jordan, this next part is for you. And it is super, super important for staying compliant. Let's make sure your invoices are 100% valid. It's pretty straightforward, really. It all depends on who your customer is. If they're a Jordanian individual, you need their national ID. If they're a foreign individual, you'll use their passport number. And if you're invoicing a company, you'll need their tax number. You just pick the right one from the dropdown and type in the number. Seriously, you can't skip this step if you're working in Jordan. All right, now let's talk about something that's a potential minefield for e-invoicing. I'm going to give you a heads up that could save you a ton of headaches. Pay close attention here because this is a big one. One tiny, simple mistake when you're setting up a customer can completely block your e-invoices from going through. Let's break down exactly what not to do. Okay, get this. The customer fields, like the name and address, cannot have any special characters in them, and I mean any. Look at this list. It's not just the obvious stuff like the @ symbol or ampersands. No way. We're talking about things we use every day. You can't even use a hyphen or a period. I know, it sounds crazy, but the system needs perfectly clean text to work properly. So just letters and numbers, folks. And hey, don't just take it from me. This comes straight from the source. The system is designed for clean, accurate info. Taking a few extra seconds to get it right at the beginning will save you from a world of frustration later on. Trust me on that. Okay, now for the really cool part, the magic. After you've put in all that clean info and hit create, something awesome happens behind the scenes. This is why you're using a tool like NuMetric in the first place. Remember how it used to be? You'd add a customer, then you'd have to open up your accounting software or a spreadsheet and manually create a whole new entry for them in your books. It's a pain, right? Well, forget all that. With NuMetric, the second you click Create, that customer is instantly and automatically added to your chart of accounts. No extra work, no double entry, everything is perfectly synced up from the get-go. It's a game changer. And just like that, you're done. You've laid the groundwork, you've made sure your data is clean, you're ready for compliance, and the system is already handling the accounting for you. So, your customer list is officially ready to go. Now, who is that first invoice for?